1. Scene, a rainforest.
Every second of every day, a piece of the rainforest the size of a football field disappears. Rainforests will be gone within our lifetime if nothing is done to stop this process. What has caused this devastation, and why should we be concerned?
Come and join Emily and Jacob as they explore the mysteries of this wet, warm, emerald rainforest. Discover why these forests are being destroyed and learn why it's important to stop this destruction.
I don't see why we need to save rainforests. They're just trees and plants.
Yeah, we have all kinds of trees and plants in our park. What makes the rainforest so special?
A piece of the rainforest the size of 2 football fields could have over 200 kinds of trees.
Most rainforests this size will have less than 7 kinds of trees.
Big deal. But these trees are useful to people all over the world. They will protect the soil and prevent flooding. They also help people and animals breathe. They keep the Earth's climate from getting too hot.
Rainforest trees give people foods, medicines, and materials that are only found in the rainforest.
The trees provide food and shelter for the animals that live here.
Animals? What animals?
Act 2. Scene, forest floor.
What are those noises?
More than half of the world's animals make their home in the rainforest, and you've just heard from some of them. Now, come out here so we can tell you about these animals.
Cocks of the rocks are doing a dance.
Look, leafcutter ants are paring pieces of leaves to their nest.
Look, a caveman is peeking out of the river.
Oh, a giant anteater!
That was exciting.
Act 3. Scene, understory.
In this
are sipping nectar from flowers. Look, red-eyed tree frogs are clinging to the leaves. Those were blue morpho butterflies.
Act 4, Scene Canopy.
Look, spider monkeys are swinging to the branches from the vines. Over there, a sloth is climbing down a tree. Oh, they're just bad. I don't like that.
Act 5, Scene Emergent Layer and Destruction.
Those animals are amazing. What's that? I don't know, but look at the smoke over there. Who are you? What's happening?
Our tribe lives in this rainforest. The noises that you hear are from people using bulldozers and chainsaws to cut down the trees. The smoke is from people burning the forest.
But why? Why are they ruining the rainforest? Some people are trying to have a better life. They cut down trees and burn the land for farming, logging, and cattle ranching. But these trees help us all so much. Poor animals, poor you. You'll all lose your home. You're both right. Animals become extinct. Plants are lost forever. New foods and medicines will never be discovered if rainforests are destroyed. We must stop this destruction. But how?
You can write your government leaders and ask them to set aside money that will help tropical nations protect their rainforests. You can help groups that are trying to save the rainforest.
You can ask adults not to buy wooden items made from rainforest trees.
You can encourage adults to buy renewable products from the rainforest, such as fruits, nuts, and other spices. We must tell our families and friends about saving the rainforest. Rainforests are wonderful. We must save this land to keep our earth safe for all. Let's go.
tropical rainforests.